Changing your MacBook Air password, it sounds simple, right? But for some, tackling it can feel a bit overwhelming. Whether you've forgotten your current password or just want to update it, I'll break it down step by step. First, let's deal with the scenario where you know your password but just want to change it. Start by going to the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. Click System Settings or System Preferences. It varies depending on your macOS version. Once inside the settings, look for Users and Groups. It's the place where all user accounts are managed. Click on it and you'll see a list of users on your MacBook. Select your user account, the one you're logged into right now. Below your account name, you'll find an option called Change Password. Click it and you'll be prompted to enter your current password first. This is to authenticate that it's really you making the changes, not some rogue hacker. After entering your current password, you'll see fields to set your new password and confirm it. Choose something secure. Mix upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and a special character or two. None of that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nonsense. You deserve better. Pro tip: macOS will even let you add a password hint. Make it specific enough to nudge your memory without being obvious to anyone else. Forgetting your password again isn't fun, trust me. Now, what if you've forgotten your password entirely? Don't panic. This happens more often than you think. MacBook Air has a built-in safety net. Restart your Mac and hold down the Command and R keys to enter recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, click on Utilities in the top menu and select Terminal. In the Terminal window, type Reset Password as one word, no spaces, and hit Enter. This opens the Password Reset tool. Here's the catch. To reset your password, you'll need to authenticate using your Apple ID. Make sure you've signed into iCloud on your Mac previously and remember your Apple ID credentials. No Apple ID? Things get a lot trickier. If you successfully reset your password, restart your Mac and log in using the new password. But remember, your keychain, which stores saved passwords, might be inaccessible unless you know the old one. You'll need to reset that too. For those who feel overwhelmed by managing passwords, consider using a password manager. It's like a digital vault for all your credentials. 70% of people struggle to remember them, so why not simplify your life? Changing your password when you have access takes only a minute or two, but getting locked out can cost you hours. Taking these steps ensures your MacBook Air stays secure while keeping you free of unnecessary headaches. And hey, while you're in the settings, turn on FileVault if you haven't already. It encrypts your entire hard drive, ensuring that even if your laptop is stolen, your data stays safe. Security first, always.